When it comes to managing your IRA, one of the most important things you need to know is how to make sure you don't overlook penalty-free withdrawal rules. The last thing you want is to face unexpected penalties that eat into your hard-earned savings. In this video, we're going to cover exactly what those rules are, how you can avoid costly mistakes, and what to keep in mind when withdrawing from your IRA. Understanding the penalty-free withdrawal rules is crucial for any retiree who wants to make the most out of their savings. Here's the thing. Not all withdrawals from an IRA are created equal, and depending on your situation, you could end up paying more than you expected if you don't follow the rules carefully. One of the most common mistakes is assuming that once you hit 59 and a half, you can just take money out of your IRA whenever you need it. While it's true that you can begin making penalty-free withdrawals at this age, there are still conditions you must meet. The IRS has strict guidelines about what counts as a qualified distribution. If you're withdrawing early from a traditional IRA, you'll usually face a 10% penalty unless you're meeting certain exceptions. It's critical to know those exceptions so you don't end up stuck with a penalty that eats into your retirement funds. If you're in the situation where you want to take a distribution but are under 59 and a half, don't panic. There are exceptions that allow penalty-free withdrawals, such as using the funds for a first-time home purchase, paying for qualified education expenses, or covering unreimbursed medical expenses. These exceptions can be a game changer if you need access to your IRA funds but want to avoid the penalty. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Many American retirees are turning to gold IRAs because of the unique benefits they offer. Gold IRAs have the same withdrawal rules as traditional IRAs, but they come with the added benefit of being able to diversify and protect your wealth in uncertain times. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, check out the first link in the description for a free guide that explains why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to secure their savings. This guide will give you valuable insights, and you can start planning how to protect your wealth immediately. Now, let's get back to the withdrawal rules. Another thing to keep in mind is that the IRS also allows penalty-free withdrawals if you become permanently disabled, or if you are using the funds to pay for certain medical insurance premiums. Additionally, if you inherit an IRA, you may be eligible for penalty-free distributions, regardless of your age. But always double-check the rules for these exceptions to avoid unexpected costs. The key takeaway here is that while traditional IRAs have specific withdrawal rules, gold IRAs provide additional advantages when it comes to wealth preservation and penalty-free options. They allow you to protect your savings from inflation and market volatility, which is essential for retirees who need to make their money last longer. If you're planning for your retirement or already in retirement and have over 100K in your IRA or even 5M+ in savings, you'll definitely want to look into gold IRAs. The peace of mind they provide is unmatched, and they are a solid way to ensure your money is working for you while minimizing penalties. If you want more in-depth guidance on how to navigate the rules around IRA withdrawals and how gold IRAs can help you, make sure to check out the free guide linked in the description. It's designed for retirees like you who want to ensure they don't make costly mistakes when it comes to managing their savings. To wrap up, knowing how to handle your IRA withdrawals without incurring penalties is an essential part of retirement planning. With gold IRAs, you get the added benefit of wealth protection, and you also get access to a whole new world of financial opportunities that can help preserve your wealth in the long term. If you've got over 100K or even 5M+ in savings, don't leave this up to chance. Click the link below to get the best gold IRA guide and start making smarter decisions with your wealth today.